At RAD, we have a very, very passionate staff. They're passionate about the work that they do, and they're passionate about the brand. They're part of a process, and they get to see that process when it comes out as a tangible product.
This is one of the first jobs I've had that actually empowers the engineers to take the solutions and investigate their own solutions. So it's really, really great to get that kind of support from the top.
Making some good progress on the line.
We come together as a team, we support each other, we're there for each other.
I believe the reason that people work here at RAD for so long is that there's a sense of community and a sense of pride. The team here works together, and we also hang out outside of the office hours, and we all have a great time together. And you spend a lot of time with your colleagues, and you might as well like them, and we do.
Truly enjoy coming to work every day, and time passes by so fast. At RAD, we like to make sure our compensation is competitive. For that, we have great comprehensive benefits, we've got a great EAP program, and we've got great support that we can give our staff during times that are challenging.
I started at this company at the bottom and worked my way up to being in the R&D department all the way up to leading the R&D department.
What I would look for in a new hire in terms of qualities, I would say mechanical aptitude is a big one. Willingness to learn, not afraid to ask questions. From there, anything else is open, possible.
If you want to be in an environment where you like to grow, now is the time.
RAD has grown quite a lot over the years, and with that we've been able to provide growth opportunities for a lot of our staff. We do anticipate RAD to continue to grow, and we're excited to announce we continue to hire, and we anticipate a large growth in our labor force in the coming years.
You want a great place to work and you want to work and make something of your life, come here. We've got opportunities for everybody.